Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you in classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is in Scott company the predetermined our hits rate is 80% if direct labor cost during the month Scott incurs 21,000 dollars factory labor cost which 180,000 is direct labors and the 30,000 in direct labors actual overhead incurred are $20,000. The amount of overhead assigned the jobs should be option A $120,000, option B $144,000, $168,000, option D $160,000. The correct answer of the question is the predetermined overhead rate is 80% of direct labor cost, which means that for every dollars of direct labor cost incurred, 80% dollars of overhead cost is allocated. In this case, the direct labor cost incurred are $180,000 of the overhead calculated would be $180,000 multiplied by 0.80 is equal to $144,000. Therefore, the answer is option B, $144,000. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.